two of my favorite things, Mickey and Elvis, and peanut butter and sandwiches. Let's make Elvis sandwiches. Hey Dan.
What?
Do you want to be in my Elvis sandwich making Mickey video?
Another sandwich video?
Yeah, we're gonna make Elvis sandwiches.
I would, but I don't think I'm dressed properly. Making some kind of sandwiches. Here you go. Oh yeah.
I got a scar. I even wore my gold jacket.
Hey baby, it's Elvis sandwich making time. Peanut butter, banana, and fried bacon. Hey baby, it's sandwich making time.
Where did you get those glasses?
I was born with them, baby.
Did you remember all your Elvis rings and jewelry?
Still rocking the sandwich making hat. Elvis likes me some sandwiches. It's time to make some sandwiches.
Let's make Elvis sandwiches.
Time to make the sandwiches.
You're not in the shot.
Can't get up that high. Time to make the Elvis sandwiches, baby.
Hey Dan.
Yeah.
Thanks for buying the Texas toast.
It's
It's kind of Texas toast with special guest Pantera.
Something told me that you would like this bag.
Are you kidding? I'm so excited. I've never bought this toast before. I didn't even know they made it.
See him really going to town on the campfire there?
Did you get that at like a modern store, or is it like this is like the kind
Yeah.
of bread that you get like if you go camping?
I
like
went
a small store.
all the way across the street to Target to get that.
Oh, Target has this?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let's get the bread out.
We had to edit that because it took Stephanie like 10 minutes to turn the twist tie off of the bag.
Safety first. We got it off. I didn't want to ruin the bread.
I might get my sandwich making hat in the video here.
They can see it.
Okay. You know what time it is, baby? It's time to bring the deluxe lash back into the sandwich making video.
Remember this, Dan?
Oh, yes, I do. Not quite as sloppy as last time.
No, because I've done it a few times.
So you might make yours different, because I'm gonna have bacon on mine. So what you do? Let's get that in there. Oops. There, hard to hold the camera.
Yeah, I know.
So now you gotta put the peanut butter on there, because we're not making my sandwich right now.
Okay. Peanut butter. Okay.
Okay, you're probably gonna be pulling that bread, so
That's okay.
I'm thinking maybe we should have peanut buttered that bread first,
Yeah.
then buttered it. Now what's
prepped.
happening?
Okay,
so now the bananas.
Now the bananas.
1, 2. How many bananas are you putting on there?
4.
Are you glad that I got close?
Yep.
You're gonna have to move those around a little bit. Not very good distribution. I think you need a 5th in the middle.
Yeah, me too. Maybe like a half one. There. Like that.
Okay.
'Cause
Nope, wrong side.
Oh,
Oh. Thanks for getting in the shot. Now they don't know what's going on. All right, let's close that baby up until you hear the deluxe latch snap. Come on. Come on.
there.
Get your hand out of there. I want to show them the deluxe latch is in action.
It doesn't fit in there.
That's a big old spatula is what that is.
What do you think? I think it needs to sit longer.
It's definitely longer. You keep always opening
I know,
the
because
deluxe
I can't wait. I'm
latch
so excited.
too quick.
Okay.
Put it back. You're losing heat.
Okay. I wish everyone could smell this because it smells so good, doesn't it? It smells like cooking peanut butter.
I'll put a little bit of
It
peanut
smells
butter.
like hot peanut butter.
I'll put a little peanut butter behind my ears and just a splash, whop of bacon.
That's perfect.
Okay. Well, we'll see.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Pretty good crust.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oops.
I'm hearing a little crunch.
Yeah, me too. Oh, it's hard to... Ooh, ooh.
What do you think?
Ooh.
It doesn't look like it does on the cooking shows when you show the knife.
It really doesn't. But that's
It looks like your weird mess from the state fair that you showed. That brown thing, what was that, an Oreo? So is the what's going on with the bananas? I can't you didn't tell me you moved up the sandwich. I wasn't even on it. Okay. So is it kind of soft or?
I'm not sure yet. It's too hot to try. It feels
Too hot, baby? Too hot, like, what do I know? Is it done?
the bananas are kind of like on the mushy side. But
Well, some people... How does it taste on the floor? Would you say you like it, or there's some changes you would need to the technique you use, other than almost dropping it?
It's not very sweet, because I don't use like sweet peanut butter ever, so I think like a little like honey on there would have been really
A lot of people use honey in this recipe.
That's what I should have done, because oddly enough, the bananas aren't.
By the way, we're in the shot way over here, and you keep leaving the room.
The bananas aren't very sweet, so it really does need something a little sweeter on there.
Well, a lot of people add honey.
Yeah.
Let's keep eating though. Don't add the honey. We have honey. We could easily add it right now, but nope. Gonna eat it.
I got the honey.
That's the honey. Where's the bear honey?
I don't have it anymore.
Here's a technique I use.
Yeah.
With if you're making tacos, a cool thing to do is with sour cream, you put it on your tortilla with a spoon, and then you just kind of go around, because the reason I'm telling you about this is sour cream, it's so hard to get out of the tub.
Oh, that's a really good idea.
Then you use your spoon as a knife.
Yeah, that's a really good...
I know, it's a good tip.
It's a really good idea, Dan.
Yep, and see, unlike some people, I'm going to only butter one side, not both sides.
Liberace, what do you think?
He seems like he's always laughing.
Always.
Who knew? He never knew he'd be front and center for sandwich making videos 101.
Dan, do you like the sparkly gold and silver placemats I put out for our Elvis video today?
Yeah, these are a good touch.
I know.
Now I got this gigantic Donald Duck spatula I gotta try to maneuver, which does not help me at all. See, the application is just terrible. It's not working good. I wonder what other people do in this part. I'll tell you what. I'm going back to my...
Ooh.
Okay, here we go.
Here we go.
Ooh, that sounds good.
Yeah.
Now, behind me, I'm going to start the old Epcot microwave.
Epcot microwave?
Just like the cooking shows, I've pre-fried my bacon, and I'm just heating it up. This is turkey bacon.
Okay.
For me,
and the difference
I
is...
like it. Well, it's less fat, but that's not why I'm doing it. It's a little less salty for me.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that. Now,
ooh,
what
that
you
looks
do,
good.
of course, while you're getting the honey about, you try a piece of, eat a little piece of bacon while I get ready. Now, where'd you put my honey now? This doesn't even come out here hardly. Oh, well, see, this is why you need the bear.
The only
Look
honey
at
I
this.
have. It's good honey. It's
So,
like all fancy.
I'm going to put
organic.
some honey on the other side of my
Okay.
bread.
That is a good idea.
Because you know why
That's what I
this is going to
should
be
have
so
done.
great?
Why?
The salt and sweet.
Totally, but I didn't think that
Now,
way.
because you know what's happening now, baby. The deluxe slash is about to close. Oh, baby. You are driving me insane. You missed the great discussion. Okay, the problem with the buttering and peanut buttering the bread is applying the peanut butter, at least the peanut butter we had, is pretty thick, and you know how it pushes in. Well,
Yeah.
we normally butter the bread first because we know we're going to be throwing that in the sandwich maker.
Yeah.
And I told you, maybe because it's so hard with the peanut butter, maybe that's what we do first, and then the butter, since it's a lot lighter and it's very, very soft, it'll be easily put on there. And
Yeah.
you said what?
I said, well, that's fine, but you have to like
Hold it.
You have to hold it.
Yeah, and I said, yeah, no different than we did the opposite way. One is putting on the peanut butter first, one's putting on the butter first. Why is that complicated?
Are you just so excited to get? Oh yeah, that's not done yet. Oh,
What's
happened
going
to
on
the?
there?
Why did it?
Oh, it's the crust.
Leak out. Oh, okay.
Well, I'll tell you why, because
Why?
a piece of the bacon was sticking out.
Oh.
So I was just thinking, the butter is, the whole problem with the butter, putting it on the other side after you put the peanut butter on. What if you use a butter spray, perhaps, instead of actual butter? Because that would be easily applied. Definitely something to think about. What I got to say, the king's getting impatient. King wants me to silence.
Me too.
Time for the king to go into the deluxe latch.
Ooh.
All right.
Oh, what do you think?
I'm just going to get it out of there.
Okay.
Ooh, it's hot.
Hot. Oh, that looks good. Yeah.
Ooh, that is really hot.
Yeah.
Well, that's
the
not
flavor.
supposed to be the Mickey. See, I need a... Oh, I know what I need.
Here, I'm gonna eat that.
Here it is, Stephanie.
Oh yeah.
See?
How did we forget that?
I really am bummed, though, that this crust got folded over his head. Time to do the cutting.
Turn it around.
Ooh.
Ooh. Ooh.
Can you even see what's going on there?
Yeah.
I like we don't even have a light on it. Now try it. Ooh, see? It's good, but I don't think I got any of the honey in that bite. Here's the solution.
Yeah.
I know I got honey in the middle.
Okay.
So I'm just going to chop this out. And this will be the full test. Ooh, look at it.
Ooh,
Smoke
wait,
coming
that's
out.
a little bit of everything.
Mmm.
Is that good?
Oh, yeah.
Elvis knew what he was talking about when he said that's the greatest sandwich ever. Oh.
I'll tell you what. The key to that was the honey.
Really?
It really makes a difference.
Okay.
Now, I would say the key also is to have the bacon in there.
True.
No.
But for bacon people.
Here's the only thing
Yeah.
that I didn't do because I used this turkey bacon. I don't know how much that saltiness would really help the whole sweetness. I think that's why the bacon was so good on there.
Okay.
I just don't want to have that much salt today.
Right.
So I would be curious as to see how that reacts to the overall taste, because I think it helps.
Okay.
But that honey,
Good.
bear honey next time. You know what's happening now?
What?
I don't want to eat this whole sandwich without a spread because it's Texas toast.
Yeah.
So I'm just eating out the bacon.
Oh, that's a good idea. Well, I think we're.
Can you move
What?
over and give me some room?
Okay.
King needs a space, baby.
I would make that again. I think Elvis was right. Elvis is always right. What do you think?
I don't know. For me, I'd take the pastrami and
Grilled
cheese
cheese.
that we made before, but I'm more of a meat eater, so
I liked it.
would you try it with bacon?
No. Veggie bacon, yeah. Oh, that's
Ooh,
what I
there you
should have
go.
done. Why didn't I do that? I should have gotten veggie bacon. Okay.
That'd be a good idea.
Yeah.
I don't think we need to do another video for it, though.
I don't think so either. I think they get the gist.
You know what I'll say, though? I'll tell you what. Sandwich making is a lot better than singing to all the grandmas that I usually sing to. No offense, Grandma. But I gotta say, this is a lot better. Well, there's only one thing left to do, baby.
What?
It's time for Elvis to leave. Do. That's it, baby. Elvis has left the building.
Okay, I do think I am going to use this peanut butter.